So, student, today we will do question number 4 from uh, exercise 5.1 NCERT Math was class 10. So, without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 4. Which of the following are APs, and if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. Means you have to find AP and write three more terms. So see, first is 2, 4, 8, 16. So if you subtract, suppose 4 minus 2, uh, 4 minus 2, 8 minus 4. So what is coming? And 16 minus 8. So we are getting here 2, here getting 4, here we are getting 8. So this is changing. So there is no, therefore this is not in AP. So we will write not in AP. Number 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So you see, we'll find whether this is common in AP or not. So for that, we will subtract 5 by 2 minus 2, 3 minus 5 by 2, 7 by 2 minus 3. So what we get here? 1 by 2 here, here 1 by 2, and here also 1 by 2. So we are getting all the same. So this is in AP, and now we will have to write more three terms. So if we will add 1 by 2 here, so this will be 7 by 2, 1 by 2, 8 by 2, 8 by 2 means 4, this will be 4, and again we will add 1 by 2, then this will be 9 by 2, again 1 by 2 if you will add, so this will be 10, means 5. So this is answer, and this is in AP, so we'll write yes. Now see question number 3. Minus 0.2. First we will try to find common difference. So this is minus 3.2 minus, if you minus 1 minus 1.2. This will be, and here we will minus 5.2 minus 3.2. So what will we get here? Minus 3.2, this will be 1.2, here minus 5.2 will be 3.2. This will be, here we will get minus 3, 1. So minus 2, here will be minus 2, here will be also minus 2. So minus 2 is common difference. So we will write next 3 more terms. So this is in AP. We'll write yes, and 3 more terms will be 7.2 means minus 9.2 minus 11.2 minus 13 point. This is see question number 4. Question number 4, minus 10 minus 4. Here common difference is you see minus 4. 4 is adding here minus 10. If you will add 4, you'll get minus 6, and if you will add again 4, minus 2, again 4, then 2. So this is in AP. So yes, and next term will be 3 more term will be 4 add 2. So this will be 6, 6, 10, and 14. This one. Now see question number 5. Question number 5. 3 plus root 2. Again 2 root 2. 3 root 2 means root 2. Yes. So this is also in AP because root 2 is common difference here. So next 3 terms will be 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. This is answer. See question number 6. 0.2, 0.22, 0.22. This is not in AP because if you will subtract 0.22 minus this is not the same, so this is not in AP. See, if you will subtract 0.22 minus 0.2, next will be 0.222 minus 0.22. So here we will get, if we subtract 0.2, here we will get 0.02, and here we will get 0.002. So this is not same, so this is not 7. C. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. It is a common difference here, minus 4, because minus 4 if you will add same, so common difference is minus 4, and next 3 terms this will be yes in AP, and next term will be minus 16 minus 20 minus 24, like this. Now see question number 8. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is it will subtract this will be 0, so 0 will be common difference, and next three term, yes, next three terms will be minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 9, 1 3 9 27. This is no, because if you subtract 3 minus 1, so this will be 3 minus 1 2, and 9 minus 3 will be 6. So this is not, we are getting same, so we are not getting common difference, so this will be no. 10 a 2a 3a 4a. A is common difference, so yes, this will be in AP. And next next three terms will be 5a, then 6a, then 7a. 11 11c, a square, a cube, a4. This is not in AP. Because if we subtract a square minus a cube, not, we will not get common difference here, so this is not in AP. If you subtract a square minus a, so this will be a square minus a, and this will subtract, so we are not getting same, so this is not in AP. Now see question number 12. This is root 2, and this we can write this 2 root 2. This can be written 3 root 2. This can be written 4 root 2. So this is, if we'll subtract this, so here we will getting 2, but here we are getting 2, and this, if we'll subtract this, so we'll get root 2. Root 2 we will get, if we will 3 root 2, 4 root 2. This is in AP, because common difference is root 2. So next three terms will be 5 root 2, 6 root 2, and 7 root 2. So we can write this 5 5 20, 50. This is, and this will be 72, and this will be 98. So this is in AP. Now see 13. The question number 13. 13 will be not in AP. No, because if we subtract, we will not get same common difference. This is not. 14. This is 1, 3 square 9, 25, 49. This is also more because you will not get common difference. Now see 15. 1, this is 25, this is 49, this is 73. If you will subtract this is, so this will be 24, 24 will add then this, and again 24 will add, so this is in AP. So next three term, yes, this will be yes, and next term if we 24 add, so we will get 24 if we'll add 7, 97. Again 24 add 121. Then 24 add 145. Yes. So this is answer. I hope you must have understood the solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.